Bafana are a useless opponent for Panama. Panama doesn't need to play Bafana in order for them to prepare for a World Cup. And by the way, in case you didn't know, if Uhlagan and you can see how things are happening. Panama is not playing Bafana to actually prepare for the World Cup. They're playing Bafana to raise more money in order for them to be able to host Brazil in Panama. The real preparation for Panama will be against Brazil, not against Bafana. Smart, ama federation ahlakanphile, ama football federation ahlakanphile know exactly what to do, not our football federation. Isafa iyasafara kamampela. Isafa iyasafara kamampela. You look at how Panama is approaching this. Panama babone kahle ukuthi let's go play Bafana back to back bazosibhadala. They will host us. We take that money, we top it up with whatever we have, and then to host Brazil. On top of that, masi host Brazil. Brazil is going to bring their best team to help us prepare for the World Cup. Number one. Number two, there's going to be a return on investment for Panama because abantu base Panama bazohamba bayogcwalisa stadium, and then Panama makes that money back. But I guess thina ifederation yethu ayikwazi ukucabanga that far. Ifederation yethu can't think beyond Lesotho. They can't think beyond Swaziland, Zimbabwe, Namibia, Ghana. Ifederation yethu is useless so much that they couldn't even organize us a friendly game before World Cup against Senegal. Senegal anginandaba mina ukuthi Morocco ibe champion le boardroom. Mase sikhuluma iqiniso. Bafana could have at least hosted Senegal and Morocco to prepare for a World Cup. Playing against a Panama team that doesn't even care about us. Kuzo senzelani. On top of that, coach yethu at this time, few months before World Cup, he doesn't have a lot of time with these players before World Cup. On top of that, into akayenza Hugo Broos, he takes ama player usafuna ukrotator, usafuna ukutesta bobani nabobani ema positionini anjani. Like I honestly don't understand ukuthi uMadala ucabanga kanjani. I honestly don't understand ukuthi Safa icabanga kanjani. So Hugo Broos is clueless, Safa is useless. Ayikho indaba yeSafa. We don't have a football federation. We don't have a president lapha kuSafa. We don't have people who are running the structure lapha kuSafa. Anyone abalapha abasebenzayo into abayenzayo benza inyoso nje imess lento abayenzayo. I mean, number one, basihlazile labantu laba ngale ndaba leya kaTebogo Mokoena. They fielded him even though everyone knew that he was ineligible to play. Bafana lost points because of that. Lucky enough, they had a good team. Bafana at that time that went as far as qualifying for a World Cup. But that wasn't enough for Safa ukuthi sihlaze. Now kukhona manje iSafa bavumela Hugo Broos. Kuthi ahambe aye ku media kube huyo okhulumayo ukuthi no, Argentina and Brazil were willing to play against Bafana. However, iSafa doesn't have the budget to host labantu laba. So iSafa ina spokesperson yona ukuthi bahambe basitshele as a country wayabasilethela iPanama. They don't have a spokesperson. So Hugo Broos sekanamalungelo ukuthi yena hamba ekhuluma izinto zakoSafa on TV. Hugo Broos bafethu kahle kahle udinga media training. Ezinye izinto akazikhulumayo in media, you wouldn't swear ukuthi he's been a coach for so many years. Uqale wakhuluma kabi ngoMbokazi. Actually, he started ngolodge. Khuluma ngokuthi ama players eSouth Africa behave kanje nani. From efika uMadala he judged our players. Asukela lapho wazokhuluma ngoMbekezelo Mbokazi. Usukela lapho he goes ukhuluma ngabo Sipho Chain. This is not a charity. uMbokazi, I mean, now look at what he's doing. Sakabona ukuthi yena indawo yakhe ukuthamba ukhuluma ngale zinto lezi zaseSafa. What is Hugo Broos doing? Wenzani Hugo Broos? And ngikhulumile lana last time, a lot of people saw at me, and a lot of people, because anifuna ukuyibona engile engiza ngayo, because everyone thinks they know football. When you share your own opinion, people say you don't know football. Sharp, I might not know football according to you, but now I'm South African. Now I have an opinion. I want the best for Bafana. I want the best for the Betway Premiership. I want the best for the Chiefs. I want the best for the Pirates, the best for the Sundowns. So ezinye izinto masizikhuluma, it's not because sinenzondo, it's not because sifuna attention or sifuna ama clicks, ama views. No, we are starting conversations that abantu abaningi are afraid to have, and it's a fact. Masikhuluma sithi Bafana has never been successful under a European coach. It has never been successful. Bafana has never been successful under a foreign coach. It's a fact. iSafa has never ever had a solid structure. The last time, well, of course, iningi lethu belibancane, mara mina ngikhumbula izinto ziqonda lapha kuSafa. Angikhumbuli mina izinto zakuSafa ngathi zicacile. Dala ama player khala ngama salaries, it's not a new thing. Dala ama player khala ngama salaries, ayiqali manje ukuthi ama player hamba yodlala ama tournament bangabhadali. Look at what iSafa is doing. Nakubanyana, but we are quiet. As fans, we are quiet. Sloga sibheke ukuthi yeah, ababizangi player le team yami, so therefore bayalayeka what, whereas we should be talking about the things that are really killing our football. iSafa is killing South African football. iSafa is messing up South African football. ISAFA is the core reason of most of the problems that we have as a footballing nation. ISAFA inkinga, ISAFA iyabheda. Labantu abalapha kuSAFA bayamosha ayikho into abayenzayo. So you telling me ukuthi ISAFA inamali yokuthi host Bafana ukuthi host Brazil kanjani? Kanjani? Yes, iBrazil ke ishaya Bafana 5-0 and Ronwen Williams was the goalkeeper. That was a good test. Ila sibone khona ukuthi no, we are not ready. Mele silungise la. And Ronwen Williams has since gone to be the best goalkeeper in South African football. Play Brazil manje. You will see the greatness of Tebogo Mokoena. Tebogo Mokoena will be recognized all over the world. Ukuthi akhona nomfana wase South Africa. Lomfana is a very great midfield. Play against Brazil. Izomenzelani Panama uTebogo Mokoena. Izomenzelani Panama uRilebuhile Mofokeng. Izomenzelani Panama uKhudiso Mudau abo Aubrey Modiba uzobayenzelani. If you don't have the money to host Brazil as you claim, then host good footballing African nations. Likhona ibhola la Africa. Host abo Morocco ke. Let's Morocco skijime nabo Hakim. Let's abo Morocco skijime nabo Hakim icace. Egypt gave us a game. Cameroon gave us a game. Zimbabwe, a whole Zimbabwe gave Bafana a tough time. Bekunzima ngiyafikona ukuthi Bafana idli Zimbabwe. Bekunzima ngama qualifier World Cup ukuthi Bafana idli Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe showed us flames. Zimbabwe gave us a run for our money. So don't tell us ukuthi manje nina mali. Lethana ama footballing nations acacile, and lento yeSAFA also happened prior to AFCON. When Bafana was preparing for AFCON, bahambe bayolanda Ghana that didn't qualify for AFCON. Ghana didn't need to play that game. Ghana didn't even care about that game. They brought second, I'm sure C team le abayilethile lapha because abayi AFCON. So what are they preparing for? Why bother calling ama player wabo who are doing well abroad ukuthi bazodlala neBafana whereas bona they are not going with AFCON? Why do that to yourself? And also, if we uyibhekisise kahle, iPanama yona self mayizodlala neBafana like izozuzana. What are they going to benefit from Bafana? Bafana ile number 60, labantu laba number 33 or number 30 le kuma rankings we FIFA. So iPanama mayizala kahle yenzele Bafana favor. And that's why I'm saying ukuthi the game against Bafana is useless for Panama. There's nothing that they're going to benefit playing against Bafana. There's nothing that they're going to learn playing against Bafana. The real preparation for Panama is going to be against Brazil. Panama izohamba yodlala Brazil. That's when they prepare for a World Cup. Tina, we don't even know who we're playing after Panama. We don't even know who we're playing after Panama. Asazi nokuthi sodlala ungama ngeke mangale bathi Bafana yodlala neSierra Leone. Osibizele Sierra Leone le. Bakulethela bo Ecuador in lama country nyana wakhona ama countries aziye ukuthi mara bafethu labantu ngeke bas challenge. Next thing we go to the World Cup, our players can't raise to the occasion. Ama player wethu makufika lapha yani confidence iphansi, makufika lapha yana bazi nokuthi benzeni bayatatazela kushubile. We have young stars that we are trying to build. AbaRilebuhile Mofokeng failed to shine in big moments. Uyahluleka ukushine in big moments. The only way for him to survive and learn how to play in big moments is to play against big opposition that really matters. You saw what the game against Cameroon did. AbaTebogo Mokoena bahambile bayodlala iClub World Cup. They came back with a lot of experience, but the experience was not enough for them to push Bafana lapha no World Cup because uTebogo Mokoena, uKhudiso Mudau, uAubrey Modiba, uRonwen Williams ubani omunye. Well, Thembazwane. Who else has their experience? Who else has went and played on a big stage? Who else? You can't tell me I'm play with Pirates badlalele ku big stage. Which big stage? Because they failed na ku CAF. Which big stage did they play? So the best way to prepare these boys to compete emhlabeni omkhulu, to compete against abantu abakhulu bekumele sithi bheka na imali France wozani, take our players ba hostene France. France doesn't even need to come here. Hambani noba hosta France. Bazi ukuthi kunjani ukudlala le. Bazi ukuthi kunjani playing against a foreign crowd. La kungakhali khona vuvuzela. La kunganamuntu othi mawubamba ibhola yokuscreamela. La mawuthi ubamba ibhola bayakubhuwa. Then you know how to compete. Then you know how to play. Ayikho lento le iSAFA iyenzayo le. Ayikho lento le yaseSAFA. You can't tell me South Africa inemali. Ikhona imali. Hawu, le imali lezi zilokho eziyadliwa msho lapha. Nabantu abenza izinto esingazazi. If we want the best for our football, we must play against the best. Simple as all that. Hugo Broos afaila ukufika ku quarter final ufailile as a coach kuba Bafana. Bronze skesa iwina. Qualifying skesa qualify for a World Cup 2002 by the way. The only thing that especially Hugo Broos ayenzile ukuqualify ku World Cup since 2002. But yasiqala Bafana iqala ukubonakala ku World Cup ngo Hugo Broos. We've won the bronze, we've played the World Cup, we've qualified for AFCONs before, we've even won an AFCON without him angakabikho Hugo Broos. Bekasadlala izinto zakhe le Belgium enza izinto zakhe. So If he fails to make it to a quarter final, he failed as a coach. Bafana. Thank you. The only thing will as in eyona nto sizomkhumbula ngayo, sizomkhumbula nje ngokuthi usiqualify isile for i-World Cup after a very long time. That's the one thing that we'll forever be grateful for. But also, credit can't go to Hugo Broos alone. Credit must go. Number one, Dr. Patrice Motsepe for buying Mamelodi Sundowns and rebuilding structures in Mamelodi Sundowns. Pitso Mosimane coming to Mamelodi Sundowns, introducing us to the likes of Abothemba Zwane. Rulani Mokwena coming to Mamelodi Sundowns and building a solid team. Mele Simbonge. Then we go back and thank Lama coach Afigile, ba coach Abo Orlando Pirates, Abo Rivero for giving us Abo Mhaonkota, Abo Lebohile Mofokeng. So this was a big project. Qualifying for the World Cup is not just Hugo Broos alone. It was a massive project. There are people that groomed and developed the right players for him, so that Bafana can qualify for the World Cup. So he can't take all credit alone. Coach Helman Mkelele must also take credit. His technical team must also take credit. And the players themselves. Every player that played Goma qualify World Cup. Meles Bashali Zanda, well done. Every player that played, the players themselves were hungry. The players themselves wanted to qualify, because I can assure you, coach Magakupa, my instruction as a player, by the time you get on the pitch, we quickly well enter Shilo. Segu eats a player man, you get my chance, Slalaganjan. So credit goes to Ronwen Williams for being a leader throughout the qualification campaign. Credit goes to Tebogo Mokoena for remaining consistent throughout the qualifying campaign. Credit goes to the likes of Ikram Renas, Namhlanje Baba Tropile. They've scored important goals for Bafana. Abo Talent Mbata scoring goals coming off the bench. Abo Tito, they've scored important goals for Bafana. Every player that was involved in the winning of Bafana during the qualifiers, Lelo must also get credit. So credit can't go to Hugo Broos alone. If Hugo Broos was a special coach, ngabus introduce alamanya players ngawazi ukuthi yo lo vumba kakuphi. Besbazo Ozuna Police, Dallas Ilpega Tinipolo. We've known these players, and we've known what they're capable of. So Undayenzi Hugo Broos figure shy copy and paste. But I'm very disappointed in how he's been treating our players. I'm very disappointed in how he addresses certain issues Bafana in the media. Magavela in the media, he wants to appear as this strict coach, long attacking nonsense, and he speaks his mind. Where to get off nanan. Yenuchelo obani maga wrong is my biggest question. When he's wrong, who tells him, good Hugo Broos, you were wrong? Mina, ever since I've followed Bafana under Hugo Broos, angaze ngezuma dala apologize. Angazi mina apology ga Hugo Broos. Angaze mina ngezoba Hugo Broos apologized for saying this or for doing that or for leaving out certain players. Indlela akakhuluma ngayo ngabo Siphombule, indlela akakhuluma ngayo ngabo Sipho Chain, indlela akakhuluma ngayo about a lot of players. Angaze mina ngezoba Hugo Broos has admitted he's wrong. No, South Africans, I apologize. Here I was wrong. I've never heard Hugo Broos do something like that. Asikaze kwaba ne apology coming from Isafa. Even now, abantwana basekhaya bagcwala abo Adidas, abo Total Sports, all of these stores that sell keepers Bafana bagcwala abantwana bakithi ba odi keepers Bafana. They are spending their own money. I can assure you, there are South Africans mhlambe, but I believe that are gonna fly down to Mexico by support Bafana. Does Safa care about those people? Does Safa think about Labo Bandabo? Good to know, man. Yazin, let's bring these people the best football. As any comments there too deep. As any let any Brazil, as let any Mexico, as let any Cristiano Ronaldo, as let any Portugal. Abafana betu battle against actual opposition. It's high time Bafana takes themselves serious. Until Bafana takes themselves serious, no one in the world is gonna take them serious. Akekho umuntu emhlabeni ozoyithatha serious. Akekho umuntu ozoyithatha serious Bafana. Because into yenzakalayo khona manje wonke umuntu ofikayo into azoyenza akunamali kusafa sizoyichange president sifaka ngipresident iyephi le mali yaphi mali angithi Bafana ibuye nebronze ayitholanga imali Bafana qualifyile for iAfcon ayitholanga imali Bafana qualifyile for iWorld Cup ayitholanga imali. Where did that money go? Imali lezi zama sponsor, all the sponsors that Bafana have, iyephi leyo mali leyo. All the sponsors that Banyana have, iyephi them qualifying for AFCON, iyephi leyo mali leyo. We are tired of Safa mistreating our players, mistreating our supporters. Abame kancane lapha kuSafa man, bazosimoshela ibhola lethu. Sesizophashelwa abo Hugo Broos manje abasuka le Belgium ozitshela ukuthi ibhola labo lingcono ukuhlula lethu because thina asina structure la. That's why makafika la usuka khona ufika la bone kahle ukuthi akuna structure na kule league nyana yabo, akuna structure kule bhola nyana labo. Isafa yenza zonke lezi zinto lezi. Isafa ilungisa imesi yabo. Mabalungisa imesi yabo so that we have good football. Mabalungisa imesi yabo so that nathi sizokwazi ukubalwa amongst the best nations in African football. abalungisa imesi yabo. uHugo Bruce naye akayekela ukusiphaphela akhetha ama player right. iGraham Reyners must go to the World Cup. iGraham Reyners mele aye kula World Cup layer and he must start kula World Cup layer. iGraham Reyners is better than Lyle Foster. He's better than Evidence Makhuba. ayekela ukukhuluma izinto angazazi uHugo Bruce. Sipho Chain must go to that World Cup. Sipho Chain una most clean sheets ku PSL manje. Sipho Chain is playing better than uRonwen Williams manje ngithukeni. It's a fact. He's playing better than uRonwen Williams. Akashiya Ricardo Goss. Sipho Chain mele aye kula World Cup layer. ayekela ukuloko bhiza moshana nezinto la uHugo Bruce. Angazoloka bhiza moshana nezinto. Grant Kekana must go to that World Cup. Mela hamba ayo represent country yakhe. Grant Kekana played in the AFCON, played ama final WCAF, played good club World Cup. Mela hambe ayo represent Bafana le Grant Kekana. He's the player that we want. Akahamba ayodlala noMbokazi. Yi center back pairing esifunayo. Kekana Mbokazi. Mela hamba Grant Kekana ayodlala le Bafana. You can't afford to leave out a player ifana no Grant Kekana. Maningi ama player ntswembu. South Africa has a pool of talent. There are players in other parts of the world lesingabazi nokubazi. Baphila abantu abakusafa kumele bahambe bayo scout abayofuna ama player of South African descent bayobabheka le kude bafethu wozani. The national team needs players like you. The national team needs your experience. Why bangabalandi lawo ma player lawo bayofuna bawalethe? Asimeni kancane ngale favoritism. Number one, Hugo Bruce is clueless and is killing us in favoritism and disrespecting our players. Number two, Safa is useless and they are destroying our football from Bafana all the way to Banyana under 17, 23, Amatluk, Amachita, Uge Zanz, and also coming to local football. Safa yes Moshela, Skatele, Safa yes Moshela. Bamoshi pola lethu. Abafana bethu bayasebenza bayafukuza la mele ukuthi Safa badlalise. How? uHugo Bruce, we have players. uHlongwane uvumbuka la vumbuka khona. uHugo Bruce bekathuka Major League Soccer, by the way. It's not a league worth playing for. Athethe uMbokazi makaya le mara nangu uhambile uyobiza uHlongwane who plays kule league le yena ayithukayo. Angithi akuna competition le ku MLS. Umsaphi uHlongwane. Umusaphi uHlongwane. Disrespectile lamfana. Njabulo Blom played lapha ya uHugo Bruce bekathukana. Lesikhathi abaBlom bahamba bayodlala le namhlanje uye futhi Hugo Bruce uyahamba uyoselect ama players suka lapha lo madala lo uyazicontradicta lo abo Campbell abo Smith abafana who are playing le phesheya they competing against the highest teams badlala kuma Europa League badlala kuma UEFA Champions League they know what it's like to play ku stadium esigcwele to play against different oppositions coming from Europe ama team are strong nanan abekho kubafana abekho kubafana bosibizela uLyle Foster who is failing le England le akusi striker se goal lesiya uLyle Foster makushubila ulwa nama linesmen makabona ngathi isimo sinzima kubafana uMessi amahleka chance uyahamba uyolwa nabo linesmen I'm very disappointed in Hugo Bruce and I'm very disappointed in Isafa. Kathele lento leyenzakalayo lapha yabafethu bafethu Nasibonela nani ukuthi ngiyabila namhlanje ngivutha amalangabi straight